So now we are on Google Gemini interface, and you choose tools and select Canvas. So you have to be in Canvas to make presentation slides. I have my prompt ready. I'm just gonna paste it. So create 9-slide presentation, navy blue chill theme, creating backgrounds, and how to use Google Gemini Canvas, make it look professional. And now I'm gonna hit submit. So we have to just wait for some minutes and our slides will come to life. So as you can see, my cursor making some signals on Canvas. You have to be on that tool to make this presentation slides. And now it creates in the slides and it will be ready in a few minutes. Traditionally, it takes time. Even if you want to create presentation slides from templates, it takes time. But here, AI does everything for you. I just need to wait for some minutes and your presentation will be ready in a few minutes. So let's wait. So now I think it's putting things together and it's ready. Just look at how it is. The color, presentation flow, the way it aligns everything. It puts the images, the icons, everything. So professional. So you can export to Google Slides, you can download, and you can share. So as you can see my screen on the bottom left corner, it creates in slides so that we can open in Google Slides. So here we can tap on that, open slides, and here we are on Google Slides. And here you can make any tweaks, make any changes, adjustments, remove images that you don't want, add slides that you want to include as you want. So now let's try to make changes on this text, mastering, change it to how to use Gemini Canvas. So as you can see, you can make changes the way you want it and make slides the way you want it to look. And let's go to slide 7. You can remove this image and put the one you want. And now let's go to File. You can download this as PPTX, then you can import to Canva, because I know a lot love to make changes or edits on Canva. So you can also download and view your downloaded file. So let me know your opinion on this new tool on Google Gemini Canvas. So it's really very powerful, but so far one of the powerful tools I've used for creating presentation slides. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more content. See you until the next one. Thank you.